All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our AI Learning Agents project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, I'm not going to be showing you anything with my learning agent today, but I am going to be showing you something different that you can do with the model that I used to build my learning agent. So let's have a look at that now. So it can also, let me get that back open. It can also look at images and classify them and tell me what's going on inside the images. So first and foremost, let's do the first image and let's see what's going on. So let's go up really quickly. So you can, 1 second. Okay, so this is the first image we have. You can see here the description. The image depicts a person posing in a bathroom setting. They are wearing a black outfit with a spider print composed of a crop top and a skirt. The top features delicate lace and thin straps. The individual has long dark hair and is accessorized with a choker necklace. The background shows a modern bathroom with a glass shower and neutral colored tiles. Let's get a look at the image and see how well our model did. If I can get and click on it. So this is the image that the model was describing here. So as you can see, we have our crop top, the lace, thin straps, spiders. Let me see what else it got here. It has the choker. Let me see. Picked up the choker. It picked up the glass bathroom. It picked up the neutral colored tiles. Let me see what else it picked up. And I think that was it. Okay, wearing a black outfit with a spider print. I said that already. So it did pretty well on this image here. It got everything pretty much down to the T. So that was the first one we did. Let's have a look at the second one. That is going to be this one here. So you can see the image shows two women sitting at an outdoor table in the picturesque setting. They are smiling and appear to be enjoying a drink together, possibly toasting. One woman is wearing a black tank top with a white skirt, while the other is in striped shirt and shorts. The table is covered with a light tablecloth and has some snacks or drinks on it. In the background, there's a view of a body of water with hills and buildings lining the shore under a partly cloudy sky surrounded by lush greenery. Let's see what image it was actually looking at here. I can get it to pull up really quickly. 1 second. Let's get that open. So this is the image here. So you can see here, this is the image. We have our two women toasting, our tablecloth, our possible snacks on the table, our body of water, our lush greenery, our hills and buildings. And let me see what else it actually said here. See, they are smiling, yes. The image shows two women sitting at a table, outdoor push right sitting. So we got that part already. Y'all smiling and toasting. So they pretty much got this entire image down packed also. So our model, not our model, but yeah, the model can actually detect what's in images and tell you what's inside of them and describe those images to you. Like I said, this hasn't anything to do with my agents. This is the model that I use to build my agents around. But yeah, I was just showing you other capabilities and other things that it can do. Now, of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way on how we start utilizing our agents. I do have some things lined up and some things in mind, but I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.